Welcome to Lunch Short and Tapping with Vikas sir. Legal matter for Punjab and Haryana Court and Chandigarh High Court. Session Court matter. Judgment. 400 words at the rate 80 to 100 words per minute. Be ready. Start. To substantiate its case, the prosecution has examined as many as 15 witnesses in all, besides placing reliance upon certain documents. Therefore, learned public prosecutor for the state closed the prosecution evidence after tendering reports of FSL Madhuban as Excise P2 and Excise P3 and giving up PWS Director FSL Madhuban and Charanjit as unnecessary witnesses. As per FSL report XP2, the bed sheet over which the dead body of the victim was lying, his clothing, wooden socket, and gouge piece were sustained with blood stains. As per the serological analysis report annexed with the report exercise P2, the blood found on the above mentioned article was of human origin of B group. As per chemical examination report exercise P3, no poison of drug could be detected in the viscera contents of the dead body of the victim. It will be proper to briefly refer to the purport of the prosecution evidence before advertising to the arguments advanced in this case, which is discussed as under. PW Dr. Neelam Arya deposed that on 11/12/2018, on receipt of a telephonic message from police to post Tahsil Camp Panipat, she had visited the place of occurrence and had inspected the same. She deposited about giving her detailed report exercise P1 to the investigating officer after conducting investigation. PW2 Bharat Bhushan complainant deposited to support the version in his complaint exercise P4 and proved the same. He deposed about joining the investigation on 6/2/2019 and stated that on his identification scaled site plan of the place of occurrence was prepared. PW3 Minu, wife of the complainant Bharat Bhushan and daughter of the deceased, deposed that she had two sisters and one brother. The accused all the sisters were married, whereas the accused was married. She stated that the accused along with her father Arjun Dev were residing in the house which was in the name of her father. The accused used to quarrel with her father. She stated that on 10/12/2018 the accused had quarreled with his father, and on coming to know about this she had visited her parental house and had tried to convince the accused not to quarrel with the accused again and again. She stated that she had returned to her matrimonial home on the same day, and on the next day accused had come to her. He was angry and disclosed that he had murdered his father. She stated that she was shocked and tried to catch him, but he had fled away from her house. She went to the spot of occurrence and stated that she had seen the dead body of her father lying on a folding bed smeared with blood. The accused had murdered her father by causing injury with a piece of wooden socket. She proved photographs exercise P5 to exercise P9 of the dead body of her father and further stated that she had performed the last rites of the dead body of her father. Full stop. PW for Kanwar Bhan, nephew of the victim, deposed about identifying his body on 11/12/2018 and making statement exercise P10 to the police on 12/12/2018. PW 5 ASI Naresh Kumar deposed about joining the investigation on 12/12/2018 about arrest of the accused and about the factum of suffering disclosure statement by the accused as well as getting recovered the weapon of offense and identification of the place of occurrence. He proved exercise P11 memo of disclosure statement of accused, exercise P12 memo regarding taking the weapon of offense wooden socket in custody, exercise P13 rough site plan of the place of recovery, exercise P14 memo of demarcation of the place of occurrence and identified the case property, exercise MO/1 wooden socket. Full stop. स्टूडेंट ये आपके 500 के समथिंग वर्ड है, इसको आप टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद इसको मैच कीजिए और आपका जो PDF की फॉर्म आपको हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा, वहाँ से आप PDF डाउनलोड करके इसको मैच कर सकते हैं। ओके, धन्यवाद।